Hi, this is Dr. Linda Burke-Galloway, author of A Smart Mother's Guide to a Better Pregnancy, blogger, and OBGYN physician. Today I want to talk briefly about GOP presidential candidate Rick Santorum. Oh my God. According to the Huffington Post, Mr. Santorum is using prenatal testing as a campaign issue. While we admire Mr. Santorum as the father of a daughter who has trisomy 18, a genetic condition that's associated with severe mental and physical challenges, this does not make Mr. Santorum a prenatal expert. Let me tell you something about genetic testing. Genetic testing is optional. It is not mandatory. Pregnant women do not have to take this test if they choose not to. I've had prenatal patients who said, you know what, Dr. Galloway, I don't want to take that test. No matter what the test shows, I'm still going to keep my baby. No problem. Then there are other patients who say, Dr. Galloway, I'm going to keep the pregnancy, but I still want to make sure that there's nothing wrong with my baby. And that's a smart decision, and let me tell you why. Babies who have genetic problems also have associated physical problems, and many times they need emergency surgery, especially patients who have Down syndrome. If you're pregnant with a baby who has Down syndrome, but you don't know it because you didn't take the test, and the baby is born, we lose precious time in terms of having life-saving surgery. If we know the baby has Down syndrome, and we know that there's a suspected cardiac problem, we have a pediatric cardiologist in the delivery room so that immediately upon delivery, the baby is whisked from the delivery room to the operating room where a life-saving procedure can be performed. Let me tell you something else. In my 25-year career as an obstetrician, I've only had 2 confirmed cases of trisomy 21. And in both cases, the mothers have kept the pregnancy. So Mr. Santorum, please stop using women's health as a stepping stone to get into the White House. If you cannot campaign on your own merit and on your own truth, then perhaps you're not cut out to do the job. Until next time, this is Dr. Linda Burke-Galloway, author of The Smart Mother's Guide to a Better Pregnancy, saying so long.